So dear students, let's discuss about external frontier of the Delhi Sultans. So we had seen they had taken some steps to consolidate or to make their internal parts very strong. How they taken some steps, like they had made forest cleared and they had given that land to the peasants and to collect the revenue, and they made some new towns. That's why they could control the trade activities in the internal part of the country. Now we are going to discuss external frontier. It means the part or the area that was not under the control of Delhi Sultans. So how they controlled the external frontier also. So first of all, they did military campaign towards the South India also. As we know, first of all they controlled Delhi, and then they wanted to control over Sindh and Bengal, and now they started their military campaign towards the South India so that they can control over South India also. So mainly it was done in the reign of Alauddin Khilji, and also Muhammad bin Tughlaq tried to control South India. Even he shifted his capital from Delhi to Devgiri, which was in the direction of South India. So they started military campaign towards South India to control over the southern part of India also. So they wanted to control southern part of the India. Then they captured some elephants, horses, slaves, precious metals, etc. from the southern part of the country. So they controlled over the army, elephants, horses, precious metals of the southern India. Then army marched towards the other parts of the country also, and also they collected some precious things from the other parts of the country, and also they defeated the army there and controlled the whole cities also. In this way they controlled the most part of the India. That's why they were now not only confined with the North India, but they also trying to control southern India. Then they used to collect taxes from peasants. As we had discussed, they cleared the land. Now they had started to collect the taxes from the peasants now, because they wanted to increase their income and consolidate their administration there. That's why they had started to collect the taxes from the peasants. So in this way they control external frontier of India also. So what were their measures? They started military campaign towards the southern India. Also they captured elephants, horses, slaves, some precious metals from the southern India. Then they control over the other parts of the country also, and they controlled over the army. They defeated the army, and then they controlled or seized the cities from there, and then they used to collect the taxes from the peasants to increase their income. So in this way they controlled the external frontier of the country.